Azidia's CrewMachine platform enables cost-effective catalog creation through its use of AI, an extensive network of experts, structured workflow, and deeply ingrained knowledge of industry-wide best practices. This video is going to demonstrate exactly how it speeds up and improves your process of creating content for your catalog. So the first thing you might want to do would be to go to the New option up here in the upper right-hand corner and select a project. And that would bring you to this page. And on this page, you choose the solution that best fits your particular needs. Now, each one of these is custom configured to contain the attributes that are inherent to each of these different categories. For today's demonstration, we're going to go with printers. So you would choose this type. And from here, you would enter in your basic project information and click Create Project. And in the next screen, you would add additional details and confirm setup. Now, for the sake of speeding up this demonstration, we've already uploaded some products into a catalog. And what we want to demonstrate here is the content gap analysis. Now, this is a feature that is on the dashboard. And what this does is it takes a look at the data for each of your items and helps you understand whether you have enough of the required attributes to have a strong product description. In this case, we can see that 2 of the items do not. One of the items does, two of the items have 80%, and one of the items is above that 80% mark. Now, it pretty much goes without saying, but the more rich your product attributes are, the better your content is going to be. So for the sake of this demonstration, we're going to look at the top performing item. To see what types of attributes it has, you just click on the item and open it up. And then you can scroll through and see what attributes are there, what might be missing, etc., etc. And from here you have 2 options. So let's say that this item was a new item in your catalog and you needed to make sure it got written and then published. So you could either send it through the workflow, which would be the manual process, where you would choose your specific workflow that you want to work with. This is a 3-step. The researcher would identify more attributes, the writer would obviously write the content, and the editor would check everything and make sure it's free of typos and grammatical errors. The other option, and this is the option that really empowers your speed and cost effectiveness as you build out your catalog, is to let the system help you. So in that case, you would choose Build Descriptions, and from here you would, if we were working with multiple categories, you could choose the specific category you wanted to work with, but since we're keeping it simple, we'll just go with the default. That's all we can do. And then you click Build Descriptions. Now, when you do this, it does overwrite some information that is in the item's profile. So you want to make sure that you really want to do this. The system asks you to confirm. And then what it does is provides you with a preview of what the new copy looks like. So you can skim through it, and you'll notice that it is very human-friendly, it's rich in data, it's useful, and it doesn't read all that badly for being written by a machine. So you click OK, and then you can come in here, scroll down to find the field where it says Product Description System Suggested, and you can go ahead and take a look at it. Now, if you wanted to publish it as is, you could certainly do that. If you wanted to send it through the workflow and have an editor take a crack at it, see what they can do to polish it up and make it really shine, you would just click Paste Product Description System Suggested, and in this field you could actually make your edits. For instance, you could say that the warranty, you could restructure the warranty line so that it's more in line with your style guidelines. You could also check it for small errors, such as this one. And then once you're satisfied, you could move it into publishing. And that is how the CrewMachine platform empowers e-commerce content. To learn more, please reach out to us at sales@crewmachine.com. Thanks for watching.